It's already set up. It'll clear.
Yeah, if it'll clear, then you
There,
can
drop it, take another one, and then
yeah.
start from there.
Nice big piece of walnut on the Norwood Sawmill.
On this mill. This mill cut most of your cabin, didn't it?
Cut my whole cottage.
Yeah.
My whole cottage, all the framing for my cottage, we did it in the summer. And then Wayne, we worked this thing so much before that. Jeez, you better be taking some ibuprofen. Nice 2-inch stick, black walnut. Cut on a Norwood Sawmill. Use the Komatsu to load it.